Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you for joining us. So check it out. Tusk now offers a full lineup of air box washing covers. When it comes to washing your motorcycle, I'm going to go ahead and say that this is one of those must-have accessories. All your top factory mechanics, they're all using an air box cover when they wash their bikes. And what these do is just prevent you from possibly getting water, cleansers, or other things into your air box when you are washing it. So what I like to do is I just take my air filter off. If I see any dirt or dust that's made its way into the air box, when I remove that, I'll wipe that out. I put this cover on. This is made from just a hard thermoform plastic. You got this EVA foam gasket to get a good tight seal. Once I have this on, I can spray out my air box with a cleanser to break up the dirt, grime, grease, things like that. Let that settle for a minute, and then I can spray it out, and I'm not worried about getting water and cleanser into my air box. After I've done that, I'll dry it all out, remove this, get a fresh air filter, slap that puppy on there, and you are good to go. So once again, when it comes to washing your motorcycle, this right here is very nice to have. If you have any questions or comments about these, please leave that down below. We'll get those answered. To grab one for your bike, it's very simple. Just click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They're all bike specific, so just enter the year, make, and model of the bike that you have when you are looking at these to ensure that you get the proper fit. As always, we ship for free over $75, and you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products like these, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.